Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily find your friends or how you can add or remove friends in Duolingo. So what you want to do is just click on your profile, and then you're gonna see friends here and some statistics. So what you want to do is, like, you're gonna see followers here. You can simply add friends, and you can invite from Facebook or invite them from text message, and I can simply invite someone, or like search, and you can literally search for someone. Or you can go like this. And just find someone else, someone that you can like add here. From 2013. And you're gonna see plenty of people here, right? So that's pretty much it, how you do it. And this is how you can add friends and how you can follow someone. When you go to settings, then you're gonna see like progress sharing here and everything. And yeah, and this is how you can simply add friends in Duolingo. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.